shares of Joby Aviation have been on the rise for a long time now, and this uptrend has attracted a lot of investors. But investing without good knowledge of any company can prove to be a big hit to your portfolio. So sit tight as we take you through all you need to know about Joby Aviation. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for regular stock market updates. Joby Aviation Inc. closed at $8.21 per share on July 24, 2023. The stock price range on that day saw a low of $8.03 and a high of $8.33. On July 19th, Joby Aviation, a California company developing all-electric aircrafts for commercial passenger service, announced that it expects to release its second quarter 2023 financial results after the market closes on Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. The company also plans to host a webcast at 5 p.m. Eastern Time that same day to discuss the results. The webcast will be publicly available on Joby Aviation's website in the upcoming events section. The stock has seen a year-to-date performance of 145.07% and a weekly performance of negative 19.43%. Over the last 6 months, the stock has moved 106.80%. Around the most recent 30 days, the stock's performance was 23.27%, and over the most recent 3 months, it changed 113.80%. Compared to the average trading volume of 9.93 million shares, Joby reached a volume of 5,887,937 shares on the most recent trading day, which is why market watchers consider the stock to be active. According to thorough analyses conducted by Wall Street experts, the current consensus on Joby shares target price stands at $8.60 per share. This analysis of target price and stock performance is a well-considered and fact-based evaluation by market experts. As per the Wall Street consensus rating system, Joby stock has received a strong buy recommendation with a rating of 2.70 on a scale ranging from 1, strong sell, to 5, strong buy. JP Morgan, after their assessment on July 19, 2023, still maintains their underweight opinion on Joby Aviation Inc. shares. The average true range, or ATR, for Joby Aviation Inc. is currently at 0.81, indicating the stock's typical price volatility. Moreover, the price-to-book ratio for the last quarter was 4.64, while the price-to-cash per share for the same period was 1.37. Last week, Joby Aviation Inc. experienced a decline, entering a negative trend and dropping by 19.43%. However, looking at its overall performance, Joby shares have shown significant growth. Over the last 4 weeks, they have gained 23.27%, and over the last 6 months, they surged to an impressive 106.80%. Furthermore, in the past year of trading, the stock has risen by 48.46%. To assess whether the stock is overbought or oversold, experts often refer to the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. An RSI value over 70 indicates overbought conditions, while a value below 30 suggests oversold conditions. A neutral market momentum is represented by an RSI of 50. Currently, Joby's stock RSI for the last 2 weeks is 46.26, with a single day of trading reaching 38.94, and the 3-week RSI set at 50.54. In terms of moving averages, the stock's performance is as follows. The 50-day moving average stands at 7.38. The last single week of trading recorded a moving average of 8.74, and the last 200 days showed a moving average of 4.92. Joby has experienced the negative trend in its financial performance. The return on total capital is currently at negative 31.24, while the return on invested capital stands at negative 20.59. The return on equity has also declined to negative 20.80, and the return on assets is at negative 18.56. Regarding the capital structure, Joby Aviation Inc. has a total debt-to-total equity ratio of 2.35, indicating a higher level of debt compared to equity. The total debt-to-total capital ratio is recorded at 2.29, and the total debt-to-total assets ratio is at 2.11. Furthermore, the long-term debt-to-equity ratio is 2.03, and the long-term debt-to-total capital ratio is now at 1.98. In terms of workforce efficiency, Joby Aviation Inc. generated an average of $181,465 per employee, which suggests some challenges in productivity and profitability. On the liquidity front, Joby Aviation Inc. shows a strong position with a quick ratio and current ratio both set at 33.40, indicating that the company has sufficient short-term assets to cover its current liabilities. Overall, the financial performance and capital structure of Joby Aviation Inc. has been facing difficulties, but the company exhibits strong liquidity. To gauge the progress of Joby Aviation Inc., one can look at the EPS, earnings per share growth rate. Wall Street analysts are particularly interested in predicting the 5-year EPS growth rate for Joby. According to their forecasts, the 5-year EPS growth rate for Joby Aviation Inc. is expected to be negative 11.81%. This indicates a projected decline in earnings per share over the next 5 years, as per the analysis and predictions made by market experts. The 3 largest institutional holders of Joby stocks are as follows. Vanguard Group Inc. holds around 1.31 billion shares, equivalent to approximately 8.2089% of the company's ownership. BlackRock Inc. possesses approximately 1.04 billion shares valued around 170.67 trillion in Joby stocks and represents a significant portion of the ownership. Lastly, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. holds Joby stock with a value of about $150.98 trillion, constituting approximately 5.7381% of the company's ownership. For those of you who don't know Joby, Joby Aviation Inc. is an innovative aerospace company headquartered in Santa Cruz, California that is at the forefront of the emerging electric aviation industry. The company was founded in 2009 by JoBen Bevert and has since become a leading player in the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, aircraft. At its core, Joby Aviation is driven by a vision of revolutionizing air mobility and transforming the way people commute in densely populated areas. The company aims to address the growing challenges of congestion and environmental pollution by introducing a new and sustainable mode of transportation. By utilizing electric propulsion technologies, Joby's eVTOL aircraft offer the potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions and noise pollution compared to conventional helicopters and airplanes. Joby's eVTOL aircraft are designed to take off and land vertically, similar to helicopters, but they differ in terms of their propulsion system and overall design. The aircraft are powered by electric motors and feature multiple rotors that enable them to lift off and land in tight urban spaces without the need for traditional runways. Once in the air, the aircraft transition to forward flight, achieving higher speeds and greater efficiency. The company's commitment to safety and innovation is evident in its development process. Joby Aviation has conducted extensive testing and simulations to ensure the reliability and safety of its eVTOL aircraft. The company has also been actively engaged with regulatory authorities to establish certification standards for this new category of aircraft, paving the way for future commercial operations. One of the critical advantages of eVTOL aircraft is the potential to offer air taxi services, providing an efficient and time-saving option for urban commuters. Joby envisions a future where people can book air taxi rides through a mobile app, offering a seamless and convenient way to navigate through congested cities and reduce travel time significantly. To bring its vision to reality, Joby Aviation has garnered significant support from investors and partners. The company has secured substantial funding from venture capital firms, as well as strategic investments from established industry players. Notably, Toyota Motor Corporation and JetBlue Airways are among the major investors backing Joby's efforts to revolutionize air mobility. While the electric aviation industry is still in its early stages, Joby Aviation's progress and achievements signify a promising future for sustainable air transportation. As the company continues to refine its eVTOL technology and work towards regulatory approvals, it remains a leading force in the pursuit of transforming urban transportation and reshaping the way people travel. While there is a lot of positivity and optimism among bullish stakeholders about Joby's future prospects, a small fraction of bears believe the stock may be headed for a downturn. This group thinks much of the hype around Joby is overdone and the stock price has become disconnected from the company's fundamentals. They point to potential risks like production delays, certification challenges, and increasing competition in the eVTOL aircraft market as reasons Joby may struggle to live up to high growth expectations. Though a minority view, these skeptics caution that the stock could retreat if the company encounters any major setbacks in the development and commercialization of its aircraft. Despite the predominant bullishness, their cautionary perspective suggests Joby's upside is not guaranteed. Remember that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.